the shot?
You are the shot, buddy.
I'm the most important.
I'm gonna make you put this in the video.
Uh-oh.
What's up, guys? We're doing another update video on our project S10. We call it the S10,000. I think last time in the video we ended up just by showing you guys the header. And now we have a lot more done. The race is in 2 weeks. So Jose is gonna eat shit on the camera. So we have the exhaust pretty much made. So we did, obviously we had the header, and then we did a 3-inch V-band to 3-inch oval piping. But then it transitions. It's not fully mounted or bracketed yet, but it transitions into flat oval piping, and then it's gonna come off the side. It's not 100% done. We also built the switch panels. We have a quick car master, and then we have a Joe's and a long anchor switch panel. So everything's obviously got to get tidied up still, but we got the wiring done. The truck obviously now runs. You saw it in the beginning of the video. We got the fuel cell mounted in the back. We have our bed covers that we still can put on, but you get the idea. Fuel cell is mounted. We have the pedal assembly assembled, but we can't put it in until we get the cage. But as far as the motor wise, that's pretty much all done now that it runs. So we have our pedal assembly, just so we can make sure that the throttle actually works and responds. This is our new seat. It's obviously not in. It'll go in when we get the cage. Me and Jose put on the suspension last week, so he'll show you that. So we did all QA1 stuff. So it's QA1 coilovers, QA1 control arms. I had ordered the uppers, but they're not here yet, and the race is getting close, so we might just send it on these stock shitty ones, unfortunately. But so QA1 front and rear coilovers. I don't know if we went over the rear last time, but maybe. It's not that fancy, but Unit 2 oil pan, that's new. It's baffled. A lot of the guys in the series are running that one. So it's already pre-baffled. We had to modify it to make the drain plug on the back.
Oh, we put in an anti-gravity battery.
Oh yeah, Jose's favorite battery.
Other than that, oh, we completely redid the actual frame of the car. We just put Pour 15 on it. So
yeah, I don't know if we got any footage of that. So
yeah,
pretty much just suspension and that. So the next video that we're gonna have is gonna be probably me doing the roll cage. Jose is gonna try and tackle like all the wiring for the headlights, the tail lights, the neons. You know, everyone else helps us. Our buddy JR, he's in here, and then the rest of the guys at the shop, Andy and Matt, they help too. It's just been me and Jose this week though. So shifter is done. I don't know if we said that. Some sweet eBay shifter. I didn't want to buy an expensive shifter until I knew that it was going to work. BMW shifters are pretty expensive, and that's a chassis mounted BMW shifter, but just the eBay one for now. We are going to upgrade. I just wanted to make sure that the proof of concept worked before spending the money on a good one. We'll have the rear window coming from Lexon. We're going to get it from 5-Star Race Car Bodies, which we partner with. So they're helping us with the truck. So they got us the bed covers and all the other stuff too. So that'll all be in the next video. Hopefully the next time we make a video, it's about 99% done, since we have to race in 2 weeks. So that's it.
well, what an ending. That's it.
We have a lot of long nights.
Yeah. 2 weeks until Gridlife Midwest Festival, so yeah, that's about it, huh?
That's pretty much it. Anyone who stops by, we'll have stickers at Midwest Fest. We'll have stickers, and we'll have merch, and we'll have a couple other things. Yeah, we're not trying to like sell anything, but we'll just, you know, hand shit out for people that come by. So Jose, stop recording me.
I just think it's funny that you just end and you're just like,
you're the guy that's supposed to do the intros and outros. I'm just,
I guess.
I'm just talking.
Well, yeah, I guess that's a wrap, guys. Light. Where'd all the super glue go?
I don't know, you fuckers used it.
I didn't use yours.
I had some in my box. Top left.
There's nothing in your box.
Check up front by the lighters.
The front of your box?
Up front by the lighters. Go up front by the lighters.
I already went up there.
And you look?
You know what? Is it in that? Is it in the little bag? Up front by the lighters?
Is it by the lighters?
Up front by the lighters. I'm just gonna, I have to cut that out. Every time you say it gets cut. So that means you're gonna get cut. Hey guys, road racing.
Hey guys, welcome to road racing.
Hey, I stopped doing that, okay?
We have...
At least I'm not Mr. What up, with Fast and Furious going on in the background. That's stupid! I think the wind's gonna take it.
No, we're good, dude.
The S10 works. We're running to the front. Oh. It works. One of our relays for the headlights broke, so we put a flashlight on it, but it works.
Oh yeah, dude.
It works.
Good job, good job.
Good job taping the relay, Jack. It sounds so good.
I've never heard it sound like a four-cylinder.
Oh God.
How are the brakes?
You like that?
Okay. You can cut that out, maybe.
No, we're doing this one take.
No.
Well, it's good. Just reset.
Quit.
Ooh.
Alright. Welcome back, guys. Here we're doing a little update video on the S10. Fuck you.
That was some PBS shit right there.
We only have 3 minutes to finish.
3.
I said I'd leave by 10:30.
You can do it in 2.
Okay, let's go.
Jose, do you have a headache?
That's why I can't talk right. Man, we're gonna have so many stickers, and it's just gonna be like all insults for me.
Like, what do you mean stickers?
I was talking to Vern. We were like, yeah, we're gonna get so many different weird quotes on the videos, and then it's just gonna become a sticker. And, like my face is gonna be on the sticker, all stupid.
Okay.
Like my face, but the dude from Mad on the comic books.
That'd be funny. It's almost in. Jose would stop dropping his nuts.